Dreams can last forever.
Hi beautiful, this is your Trishita Nowroj and this video is very special. In this video I have created this beautiful look which you can create in your upcoming wedding dawats. Why this video is very special? Because in this video I have collaborated with Nowroj to show you how you can create this look using affordable products. Firstly, I want to tell you I made this video into two parts. In first part, I will show you the products. You already know which products I am going to use in this video. Yes, you are right. All the product I have used is from Focallure, Bangladesh. They are so affordable and the quality is, I don't want to tell in the first part. So if you want to see what product I have used and if you want to know the in-depth review about this product, let's jump right into the video. In this first part, I'm going to tell you in-depth review and swatches about all of these products. If you really want to see how the product looks like and if you really want to know what is my opinion about those products, please watch full part of this video. These are the all product from Focallure which they have sent me to create this look. First, I want to talk about the two palettes I have picked up from their travel collection, which is Perth palette and Paris palette. Perth is basically an Australian city which has beautiful environment. This is the outer packaging of Perth palette and this is the palette packaging of Perth palette. This palette is a combination of blue, green and purples. Most of the eyeshadows from this palette are shimmer, glittery and matte. Here is some swatches of these eyeshadows. As you can see, these are so pigmented and mattes are so watery, like I am in love. Especially the blue, green and purple shade from this palette are die for. Moving into the next palette is Paris palette. In the Paris palette, they have 15 eyeshadows. This is the outer packaging of Paris palette and this is the inner packaging of Paris palette. In this palette, they have combination of green, yellow and golden, shimmery. Like this palette is calling Paris. Actually, this came up in my mind when I saw this palette. And the name of the shadows are so beautiful. Like some of them are omelette, macarons, then another green and rose. Like seriously, they kept the Paris essence in this palette. Now moving into the next palette, which is Sunrise palette. This is the outer packaging of Sunrise palette and this is the inner packaging of Sunrise palette. This palette has 16 colors and most of the colors are based on pinkish side. Most of the eyeshadows are mattes and shimmer drenched hues. Drenched hues are different type of textured eyeshadows. As you can see, they are so pretty. What more I can say about this palette? This is just beautiful. If you want to create a party look or if you want to create a date night look or a Valentine's Day look, this palette is for you. Now moving into the next eyeshadow product, I have picked this 5 sugary single eyeshadow duo from Focallure. These eyeshadows are so pretty. As you can see, the packaging are so sleek. I am amazed to see how they are improving their packaging. Like if you look at the past, they only have black packaging. Now they have like this beautiful stylish packaging. I have picked 4 glitter glow liquid eyeshadow from Focallure. As you can see, the product is so pigmented, glide on so smoothly and the shine in it is just too perfect. If you want to use this product only for your eyelid, you can apply it on your eyelid and just apply your eyeliner, you are good to go. They have new brow product which is called Auto Brows Pen I have picked two shades from this brow section. One is 01 Grey Brown and another one is 02. I have used the brow pen to create my eyebrows today. It's easy to draw your eyebrows. The interesting part of this eyebrow pencil is they have a brow powder in it. After drawing your eyebrows, you can apply it on your eyebrows to set the brows properly. This is so interesting, and after using this product, I can say this is going to be my go-to eyebrow product. Another one I have picked up is their brow pomade, which I believe you have already used this brow product, and I have picked up Avon 5. This is quite good actually. If I can compare with high-end eyebrow product, this is very affordable and it works just good. Like, I have seen most of the eyebrow pomade which is hard to work, but this does not do that. Now moving to the next product, their face highlighter and blush collection. I picked up 02, 03 and 04. One is Glittered Goddess, another one is Nova Lives, and another one is Rose Radiance. This product has basically ultra reflective finish. It glides on so smoothly, it's so buttery, and when you will apply it on your cheekbone, it literally pop up right away after applying the highlighter. As you can see, I have used one of the highlighter from this highlighter collection. You will see the details in my tutorials. I will say, if you want to get affordable highlighter in your budget, please take it. You won't regret. Moving into the next product, they have another blush product which is Silky Powder Ombre Blushes. As you can see, it has beautiful ombre finish in it, and the blushes are so pigmented. It applies so smoothly on your cheekbone, and the speciality of this powder is it is so silky. Like, if you touch it, you can feel the silkiness of this blush. And this is the product, like how pigmented these blushes are. And if you want to use it, you can take a little bit to apply on your cheeks and build up. Like, sometimes blushes have hard time to build up, and it builds up easily on your cheekbone. I really love this product from Focallure. Like, everything I have picked from their collection, I'm just amazed to see how beautiful they are, how smoothly they are working, and they shows up on camera beautifully. They are just perfect. The lip collection, I have picked up Capsule by Focallure, which has 5 lipstick in it. These are the mini lipstick from their lipstick section. Next product I'm going to talk about is their chocolate matte lipstick. This is the product swatches. As you can see, they are so pigmented and apply so smoothly, and it won't crack up your lips. This is not that kind of lipstick that will give you a creamy matte finish. It is matte finish. The best part of this lipstick is this is magnetic. Like, if you want to keep your lipstick together, this is magnetic. How cool is that? And it smells chocolate, like kind of mini chocolate, I would like to say. And this is going to be my go-to matte lipstick for sure. This is a shine-free setting spray, and it will give you a semi-matte finish. The main thing I love about this product is the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Like, they are upgrading their product, and they are playing with their product with different color and different style, which make me grab more from Focallure. The next product I'm going to talk about, their Rainbow Cocktail Makeup Remover. Packaging is so pretty. You can carry everywhere if you want. This cleansing oil literally can remove your makeup, and it won't leave any stain. As you can see, I'm removing my lipstick easily, no stain, nothing. This product is also very good. The last product I'm going to talk about is Focallure's News Superfine Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is blackest black eyeliner. You can easily draw any line with this eye pen, and this product is smudge free, shine free. This is the sweetest packaging I have in my collection. You can find all of this product on Nowroj app. Nowroj app has a mall inside their Nowroj app where they sell authentic products, and it's called Nowroj Mall. And Focallure Bangladesh is a Nowroj Mall store. As Nowroj Mall keep authentic product, so all the Focallure product under Nowroj Mall is 100% authentic. Even when you will go to the Focallure store, you will get instruction to see how you can identify if these products are authentic or not. Easily, right? So Nowroj is ending this year with a huge sale called 12/12, and Focallure is their brand partner. This 12/12 sale will be valid from 12th December to 18th December. Good news is, what I have showed in this video, all of these products are up to 60% off during this sale campaign. So buy 1250 taka worth product from Focallure under Nowroj Mall and get free shipping in any corner of Bangladesh. Don't forget to follow Focallure Bangladesh on Nowroj app to stay updated about all brand new products from Focallure and many upcoming unbelievable discounts. That's all about the product details and swatches of the products that I have picked up from Focallure Bangladesh. Now I'm going to show you how I have created this beautiful wedding guest look using all those affordable products.
She says she love me, but she don't. Playing my heart just like a repeat of a song. Tried to make it work, but I'm already gone. Told her it's hard to say it, but it's true. Hard to find the words that I'm supposed to say to you. It's time to pack your bags, girl, 'cause I'm moving on. I said it, she know that I meant it. I gave her all my money, and now that she spent it, she already talking like she moving on. Oh girl, I promise it has to be gone, 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 gone. Okay, I promise it has to be gone, 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 gone. Hey, because you left me with a broken heart. Tried to patch it up, but it's just so hard to stop. Promise you'll be gone, 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 gone.
Check it, I say I love her when I do, but she bit my helping hand. What could I do? Sorry doesn't work on me. She's gone,
So damn gone to me.
you know I said it, she know that I meant it. I gave her all my money, and now that she spent it, she already talking like she moving on. I promise your ass will be gone, 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 gone.
Okay, I promise it has to be gone, 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 gone. Hey, hey, because you left me with a broken heart. Tried to patch it up, it's just so hard to start. Promise you'll be gone, 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 gone. Sing it. I said,
Put your hands up.
She says she love me, but she don't. Playing my heart just like a repeat of a song. Tried to make it work, but I'm already gone. Told her it's hard to say it, but it's true. Hard to find the words that I'm supposed to say to you. It's time to pack your bags, girl, 'cause I'm moving on. I said it, she know that I meant it. I gave her all my money, and now that she spent it, she already talking like she moving on. Oh girl, I promise it has to be gone, 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 Okay, I promise it has to be gone, 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 gone. Hey, because you left me with a broken heart. Tried to patch it up, it's just so hard to stop. Promise you'll be gone, 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 gone.
Check it. I say I love her when I do, but she bit my helping hand. What could I do? Sorry doesn't work on me. She's gone,
So damn gone to me.
you know I said it, she know that I meant it. I gave her all my money.
That's all about my video. Hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check Nowroj Mall under Nowroj app to get amazing discounts from Focallure Bangladesh. See you in my next video. Bye beautiful.
Me with a broken heart.